Today, I have a beginner cloud project idea and it's supported in all three cloud providers. So if you know me and if you're following this channel, you know that I'm a huge fan of the Cloud Resume Challenge, and I have a whole playlist where I have recorded my attempt with AWS. But students often ask me, or even professionals, who are just starting out in cloud, what would be a good beginner project that could get them hands-on experience? And that's why I'm introducing the Cloud Resume API Challenge. Some of you might know that I did an AWS version, but now it's finally available in all three cloud providers. So you can do it in AWS, GCP, and Azure. So if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Rishabh. This is Rishabh in Cloud, and let's look at the Cloud Resume API Challenge. So the Cloud Resume API Challenge is a project where you will have the opportunity to build and deploy a serverless API for your resume with your cloud provider of your choice, integrated with GitHub Actions for CI/CD. The primary goal is to construct an API that returns your resume data as JSON. So moving on to the challenge objective, your task is to create a serverless function that fetches resume data stored in a NoSQL database and return it in JSON format. To help with the challenge, integrate GitHub Actions to automatically deploy updates to your cloud serverless function. So if you're using AWS, you'll deploy it to AWS from your GitHub repository. Similarly, with GCP and Azure. So you'll be using GitHub Actions as a CI/CD pipeline. What are the key requirements? So the first one is a NoSQL database. So you'll be using, DynamoDB in AWS's case, Firestore in GCP, and then Cosmos DB in Azure. You'll have a serverless function. Again, each cloud provider has their own serverless function offering, which will fetch and return the resume data, and the GitHub Actions, which is automatically package and deploy your serverless function on every push that you make to your GitHub repository, which is basically the CI/CD. If we look at the big picture kind of diagram, right, you'll have your users who will be sending a GET request to your serverless function to get your resume data. That serverless function will then, let me zoom in a little bit. That serverless function will get the data from the NoSQL database. The NoSQL database will then return the resume data, which the serverless function will send to the user as JSON data with a response of 200, which is the success status code for HTTP. On the bottom, you can see that your code should be in GitHub. GitHub Actions will be used for the CI/CD part of it. So to take this challenge, if you go to Cloud Resume API.dev, earlier we only had the AWS version, but you can see now on the left-hand side that I have all three cloud providers now. So you can pick the cloud provider of your choice, AWS, Azure, or GCP, and then it gives out the instructions on how to take this challenge. One of the cool things is the submissions. So submissions are basically a place where I highlight community members who have built this project. So you can see that we already have 3 community members who have built the AWS version. They have their resume API URL and also the GitHub repo. So once you complete this challenge, there are steps on how you can create a pull request to get your submission in. And this is, just a way to kind of give you the motivation that, hey, like once you create this project, there will be visibility on the resume API that you build and also your code, which will live in GitHub. You can also write blog posts once you finish this challenge, as I'm a huge advocate of learning in public. So yeah, that is the Cloud Resume API Challenge. I already have kind of an introduction to the AWS version, but over the next few weeks, you'll see the Azure and GCP version on this channel. So yeah, I hope this project helps you get started in cloud computing with whatever cloud provider you choose. But the idea is to have a really beginner-friendly project that teaches you about, how APIs can be hosted in the cloud using different services. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.